In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Maybe you know someone that wants to move their shoulder from here to here. Stay tuned. We're going to get right at it. This might be the quickest routine you've ever seen, how to get your shoulder from internally rotated to a nice neutral posture. We're gonna do three things. We're gonna warm the tissue up, we're gonna stretch, and then we're gonna strengthen. The first thing we're gonna do is warm up the front part of the shoulder. You can get a golf ball, a squash ball, this is a hockey ball. If you don't have a ball, just use your fingers. All we're gonna do is pull our shoulders back, take your ball or your fingers, and just start to find some trigger points, massage the area, bring some blood flow. Maybe I'll do it on this side, maybe a bit easier to see. You can roll all around the meaty part of your shoulder, just off the front part. I'll show you with my fingers too. Just get in. You want to pull your shoulder back, open it up, find the pec minor and some of the other tissue in there, and just circular massage or cross friction massage. Do this about 15 to 30 seconds on both sides. But we really want to open up and really release and start to warm up that tissue. Remember, pull your shoulders back when you're doing that. Do this with me. You're going to feel it. So they should be nice and warm now. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to stretch. So what we want to do is we want to move the opposite direction of the posture. So typically our shoulders will translate or move forward at the same time they roll in. And this is from all the stuff that we do daily, including me. I work on patients like this all day, so this is something that I do. So what we want to do is we're going to pull back our shoulders. We want to externally rotate. We're going to do one at a time. You need to find a door frame, and all we're going to do is take our elbow, so externally rotate, take our elbow, and then we're going to pull my body this way to open up that shoulder. You can do one at a time, or I like to do is both at a time. So you need to really externally rotate, and then all you want to do is lean into the door, really lean forward. So it's hard for you to see, but I'm really leaning my body forward through the door. Some of you might have to take a step down here. Some of you might have to actually lean into it. But remember, we're taking our thumbs pointing back. So this is the normal posture. We're going to pull them back. So you're basically coming out and stretching forward. I can really feel that. It actually feels like it's opening up quite well because we did warm the tissue up. Hold this for 30 to 60 seconds. And you can do this twice or even 3 times and just take a little rest. Again, you can do it single. So again, my thumb's pointing backwards and I'm really leaning in, stretching out that anterior front part of the shoulder. So we've done 2 things now. You've warmed up the tissue and you've stretched. Now we need to strengthen. And finally, for the strengthening part, which might be the most important part, you should really focus first on the same thing. We want a mirror image or opposite posture of this. So we're going to externally rotate or twist out with our thumbs. Our thumbs should be pointing back. We want to engage our shoulder blades and pull them together, our rhomboids and traps. And then what we want to do, if you can either straighten or you keep them bent, whatever you can do to go through the full range of motion. So we're engaged. I can feel my shoulder blades burning right now, and we're going to come up and we're going to hold externally rotated all the way to the top and come down. When we come down, we're not releasing this. We're not relaxing. We got to keep it out. And that would be 1 rep. Nice and slow, 2 to 3 seconds a rep, and all the way down as far as you can go. And again, up. And this is 3. I'm already feeling this. Engaging muscles that don't get worked that often. And same thing. 4. You want to knock off anywhere between 10 to 15 repetitions. Really, again, extending the shoulders, extending the thumbs, externally rotating all the way back. You'll do that 10 to 15 reps for 3 sets. The whole routine should take you minutes. If you do this daily, you can change that internally rolled forward shoulder to a more neutral, happy, healthy posture. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have a question, put it in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer it. One last thing, this posture often goes with forward head posture. I have a great video right here. Click here to see how to fix forward head posture. Use that in conjunction with this, your posture will improve. Until next time, stay well.